NASA has learned a tremendous amount from the International Space Station, not only from a technological perspective, but from a human side as well. The ISS is a marvelous technological platform for science. But what we have learned as an international community, crossing cultural differences, political differences, to support the men and women who are willing to go into space for exploration and science on behalf of all humankind, I think is one of the legacies that we're going to have. When you go outside at sunset or early in the morning and you track the ISS coming over your locale, realizing there are human heartbeats on board going at 5 miles per second. It's very special to realize that they are our friends, their families are important to us, and we do everything we can to maintain all the best of their health and well-being.
I get to help the astronauts launch and return from the International Space Station. There's been a lot of learning happening over the last couple of years, 25 years now. I wish that everyone would know that the space station is one of the biggest international collaborations that NASA has. I think it is the foundation and testbed of just humanity's effort in space. The first ever flown in space object I got to touch was from working on ISS. Advanced Plant Habitat did an amazing thing where they flew some patches for us on station and returned them for the team that worked on the Advanced Plant Habitat project. So as someone who grew up loving space and wanting to work at NASA for more or less my entire life, that was a pretty impressive memory and remains something that I hold very dear. Moving forward, I hope to see more experiments, more of the science that gives us perspective on the human body and the workings in a zero-gravity environment, which will allow us to understand a microgravity environment like the moon or on Mars.
Happy 25th birthday, International Space Station. You are absolutely awesome.
Happy 25th anniversary, ISS. Thank you for everything you've given us and everything you continue to do.